Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about OIO Group, ticker symbol OIO, listed on NASDAQ. OIO Group is a technology focused company connected with digital services, online platforms and innovation based business solutions. The company is working in sectors that continue to attract attention as digital transformation grows around the world. Looking at the recent chart movement, OIO stock showed strong volatility during the latest trading session. The price moved sharply downward in the early hours, followed by a recovery attempt near the closing session. This kind of movement suggests active trader interest and high momentum in the stock. From a technical perspective, the stock is currently moving near an important support zone. If buyers continue showing interest, the chart may attempt another short-term bounce. On the other side, resistance levels remain important because heavy selling pressure can appear near previous highs. For the future outlook, investors are watching how the company expands its digital business operations and improves market presence in the technology sector. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational and informational purposes. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.